Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me. Say nighty night and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you'll miss me while I'm alone and blue as can be. Dream a little dream of me. Stars fading, but I linger on, dear. Still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear. Just saying this. Sweet dreams till sunbeams find you. Sweet dreams that leave all worries behind you. But in your
미얀마 중서부 떵우 지역에 남아있는 밀림지대. 태국 치앙마이에 살고 있는 렉은 종종 국경을 넘어 이곳을 찾습니다. 태국에서는 금지됐지만 미얀마에서는 벌목이 지금도 합법적인 경제 활동입니다. 벌목 현장에서는 일하는 코끼리를 쉽게 만날 수 있습니다. 미얀마, 태국, 베트남 등 인도 차이나 반도에서 코끼리가 포획되기 시작한 것은 약 200년 전. 이제 가축처럼 길들여진 코끼리는 이곳 사람들에게 중요한 노동력입니다. 특히 중장비가 들어올 수 없는 밀림에서 무거운 원목을 산 아래로 끌어내리는 데는 코끼리가 더없이 유용한 동물이지요. 보통 하루 12시간 동안 계속되는 벌목 작업. 하루 200에서 300kg에 달하는 풀을 먹어야 하는 코끼리는 제대로 먹지도 못한 채 일하기 일쑤입니다. 렉이 잠시의 휴식 시간을 틈타서 재빨리 코끼리에게 접근하는데요. 아니나 다를까 한 코끼리의 등에서 커다란 상처가 발견됩니다. 치료를 위해 렉은 우선 고름부터 빼냅니다. 제때 치료를 받지 못해 상처는 더 깊숙이 골마버린 모양입니다.
Mungso, can you ask what's going on with this?
Iron wood is very heavy. That's why.
But
And
it
also
doesn't
big
make
one.
sense. I don't think iron wood. We go to this. I don't think iron wood will step to this bone. Very deep, about 5 inches. Look at that. More tissue, please.
국경을 넘어가며 위급한 코끼리들을 찾아다니는 렉. 하지만 그녀 혼자 인도 차이나 모든 코끼리를 돌보기란 쉽지 않은 일입니다.
Uzi. Why he's stubborn?
Yeah.
You have to clean, take the pus out.
ပထမဆုံးထဲတဲ့ဟိုတဲ့ပြီးကိုဆွဲထုတ်တယ်နော်ပြီးကိုဆွဲထုတ်ပြီးတော့အဲ့ဒါတစ်နေ့တစ်ချိန်မင်းတို့လူးတယ်
Use that clear water, not mud water.
ဒီရေတွေကိုမင်းသိပ်ပြီးတော့မသုံးနဲ့တဲ့
မိုးတွင်6လပိုင်းကနေ2လပိုင်း15ရက်နေ့အထိဒီကြားထဲမှာဒီတဲ့တာဝန်ပေးထားတာဝန်နဲ့လုပ်လို့
လာကြ
တမိုးလုံးတစ်ဆောင်လုံးမှာ
တမိုးတစ်ဆောင်ဆို
6လပဲ
6လ
6လနေစားရတာ
မနေ့အစောကြီး4နာရီကနေပြီးတော့ညနေခင်း3နာရီထိလာ
치앙마이 도심에서 차로 1시간. 맷땡 지역 숲속에 코끼리 네이처 파크가 있습니다. 렉은 지난 2003년 40만 제곱미터 넓이의 이 공간을 마련했습니다. 렉과 특별한 인연이 있는 35마리의 코끼리들이 사슬 없이 자유롭게 살아가고 있죠. 암컷 우두머리를 중심으로 집단을 이루어 사는 코끼리는 가족애가 가장 강한 동물로 잘 알려져 있습니다. 이동하다가 따라오지 못하는 가족이 있으면 이렇게 모두가 기다렸다가 꼭 데리고 가지요. 네이처파크의 코끼리들이 모두 진짜 가족인 것은 아닙니다. 대부분 새끼를 잃은 어미와 고아 코끼리가 만나 새로운 가족을 이루어 살아가고 있습니다. 7살 호프와 2살 배기 푸피아는 온종일 붙어 다니는 가장 절친한 친구입니다. 호프는 갈수록 짓궂어져 마피아라는 별명까지 얻었지만 렉이 가장 아끼는 아들이라는군요.
คือโฮปเนี่ยเขาเป็นลูกกำพร้าออฟเฟนเป็นลูกแม่ตายใช่ไหมก็เลี้ยงโฮปตั้งแต่เด็กๆโฮปก็นอนนี่ด้วยตอนกลางคืนโฮปก็มานอนหนุนตักแล้วก็กอดโฮปนอนกลางคืนนอนกับโฮปบางทีโฮปก็มาฉี่ใส่หน้านะพอนอนกลางคืนไงแล้วก็เอานมป้อนโฮปเลี้ยงโฮป24 ชั่วโมงก็เลี้ยงให้เขาเป็นเหมือนลูกเราก็เลยผูกพันกันมาก
20년 동안 통나무를 나르다가 결국 등뼈가 내려앉은 매도. (2년) 전 산속 고립된 마을에서 구출될 당시에도 등뼈가 내려앉은 채로 나무를 끌고 있었습니다. 말라이통은 벌목 현장에서 지뢰를 밟아 한쪽 발을 잃었습니다. 3년 전 절룩거리며 구걸을 하다가 렉을 만나게 됐죠. 키가 3.3m에 달하는 맥스. 한때 태국에서 가장 큰 코끼리로 관광객들에게 잘 알려졌던 유명 인사입니다.
แล้วแม็กเนี่ยจะเมื่อก่อนแม็กเป็นช้างแข็งแรงนะแข็งแรงมากแล้วแม็กไปขอทานเขาพาแม็กไปเดินถนนวันหนึ่งที่ถนนมอเตอร์เวย์ระหว่างกรุงเทพกับพัทยาแม็กโดนรถ18 ล้อชนแล้วก็ลากไป10 เมตรพอลากไปแม็กก็กลายเป็นอัมพาตคือเดินไม่ได้ขาหน้า2 ข้างจะมีปัญหาแม็กก็จะเดินช้ามาก
1989년 태국 정부가 벌목을 금지하자 코끼리는 쇼와 트레킹에 동원되기 시작했습니다. 국가 수입의 40%를 차지하는 태국 관광 산업에서 코끼리가 중요한 몫을 맡게 된 것이죠. 하지만 관광객의 환심을 사기 위한 고난이도 기술을 훈련받기 위해 코끼리들의 고통은 커져가고 있습니다. 아기 코끼리는 훈련을 받기 전 파잔이라는 일종의 의식을 거칩니다. 아기 코끼리를 꼼짝할 수 없게 묶어둔 채 어미를 잇고 사람의 명령에 복종할 때까지 학대하는 것이 바로 파잔입니다. 일주일 내내 고통의 극한을 경험한 아기 코끼리는 결국 야생성을 잃고 사람의 명령을 순순히 따르기 시작합니다. 최근에는 3개월간 계속되기도 하며 방법도 더 잔인해졌습니다. 파잔 과정에서 죽어가는 아기 코끼리는 매년 80여 마리에 이르고 살아난 코끼리들도 정신병을 앓게 되곤 합니다. 렉에겐 여전히 받아들이기 힘든 현실. 그녀에게 코끼리는 덩치만 클 뿐 사람과 똑같은 감정을 지닌 가족이기 때문입니다.
ตอนเด็กๆอายุ5 ขวบมีช้างตัวหนึ่งก็คิดครั้งแรกก็เห็นว่ามันใหญ่ดีนะมันใหญ่มันไม่เหมือนสุนัขไม่เหมือนแมวนะตอนเห็นครั้งแรกโอ้ใหญ่ครั้งแรกกลัวนะกลัวช้างแต่พอเลี้ยงไปเลี้ยงมาช้างมันน่ารักมันรักเราตอนที่เป็นเด็กๆแล้วเลี้ยงช้างตัวหนึ่งเขาเหมือนคนในครอบครัวเลยเพราะว่าตอนที่อยู่กับเขาเนี่ยเวลาเล่นกับเขาด้วยเขา เวลาเรารักเขาเราก็รักเขาก็รักตอบถึงรู้ว่านิสัยเขาเหมือนคน
렉은 화장품 장사, 출장 요리사, 밴드 가수 등 안 해본 일이 없습니다. 그렇게 번 돈으로 코끼리를 한 마리씩 구출해내 5년 전 이 공간을 마련했죠. 11년 전 임신 4개월 만에 뱃속에 아기를 잃고 만 렉. 지난 2000년 이혼의 아픔까지 겪어야 했던 그녀에게 코끼리들은 유일한 가족입니다. 렉은 집도 가구들도 모두 팔고 네이처파크 사무실에서 살고 있습니다.
มะม่วงตอนนี้รวยเลยว่ะ
매일 3톤, 우리나라 돈으로 하루 80만 원이 넘게 드는 코끼리 먹이 비용을 감당할 수 없었기 때문입니다.
น้องอุบะม่วงเลยมะม่วงเสร็จแล้วรถเดี๋ยวยังมาอีกเดี๋ยวเอามาอีกนี่กำลังอีกหน้าอีกคันหนึ่งยังไม่หมดมีอีก
มีแครอทด้วย
แค่รถนี่คนกิน
แครอทนี่คูณ
이제 네이처파크는 자원봉사자들의 후원과 봉사활동으로 운영되고 있습니다. 최근에는 세계 각지에서 한 달에 80명 이상의 자원봉사자가 찾아오고 있어 코끼리 구호 활동이 더욱 활기를 띠고 있습니다. 코끼리들이 당장 야생으로 돌아갈 수 없다는 것을 렉은 잘 알고 있습니다. 이미 사람에게 길들여진 데다 학대의 상처가 크기 때문입니다. 코끼리들의 상처를 치료하는 것이 시급한 첫 번째 목표. 할아버지가 고산족의 전통 치료사였던 터라 렉은 민간요법과 생약에 대해서는 전문가입니다.
iodine because elephant doesn't have a nature salt lick we have to provide that and this one tamarind is help for the digestion
생약은 물론 사람 몸에도 좋습니다.
very good taste tonight I put this for Sarah from her birthday cake
Make a nice cake of it.
yeah.
Hey.
They eat today. Ah, that's your baby. That's not so good, mom. อาปากก่อน ถึง2 คนเลยถอยไปอาปากเอ้ยยื้ออาปากไอ้บุ้งเนี่ยก็ปอบุ้งอีนี่นิสัยบดีเลยอ้าปากแม่ลุงแม่บงนี่ถ้าอยากรู้แม่บงต้องอ้าปากงี้นี่เอกลักษณ์ชอบอ้าปากโชว์ฟันเพราะเขาเป็นช้างโชว์ไงโชว์ฟันมาก่อนแล้วฟันสวยด้วยนะฟันแม่บงนี่สวยด้วยนะ
몸이 불편한 코끼리들에게는 직접 찾아가서 먹이를 주기도 합니다. 눈앞에서 2개월 된 새끼 코끼리가 죽는 모습을 지켜보아야 했던 조기야. 조련사를 공격했다가 화난 조련사에게 눈이 찔려 장님이 됐습니다.
มาใกล้ๆโอ้เขาไม่เห็นไงลูกถอยอยู่ดีๆเข้ามาลูกเข้ามาอีกมา
เลยไม่ยอมก็ให้ทำงานหรอกครับ
บางทีอย่างเงี้ยตอนที่พี่ไปช่วยเขาเนี่ยเขาก็ยังทำงานอยู่ตาบอด2 ข้างก็ยังลากไม้อยู่เงี้ยเพราะฉะนั้นพี่สงสารเขาต้องเอาเขามาอยู่ที่นี่ให้มาให้เขาได้มีความสุขแต่เราก็ต้องทำงานหนัก
사람에 대한 분노가 가득해 처음에는 그 누구도 접근하지 못하게 했지만 조기야는 렉을 받아들였습니다. 카메라가 신기한지 호기심을 보이는 텅짠.
คุณแม่มาแล้วคุณแม่ขอร้อง
올해로 4살이 된 텅짠은 요즘 부쩍 장난이 많아졌습니다.
ไปเพราะว่าเขาเริ่มจะเข้าวัยรุ่นเขาคอนฟิวนิดหน่อยบางทีก็ดื้อบางทีก็นิสัยดีแล้วแต่เขาจะเหมือนกับเด็กวัยรุ่นนะ very confused อย่าดีเนี่ยจะยกขาเอา เขาจะขี่พี่เขาชอบขี่มากนะทองจันอ่ะเขาชอบขี่เวลาที่เขาจะชอบเอาขายกมาใส่
코끼리는 60년에서 70년을 삽니다. 사람과 수명이 비슷해서인지 그 나이 또래에 하는 행동도 사람과 비슷한 면이 많습니다. 그래서 엄마 렉에겐 어린 코끼리들의 재롱을 지켜보는 것이 큰 즐거움이죠. 태국 동북부 도시 수린에서는 매년 11월 세계 최대의 코끼리 축제가 열립니다. (100년) 전에는 10만 마리의 코끼리 왕국이라 불리웠던 태국. 하지만 현재 태국 코끼리의 수는 2,200여 마리에 지나지 않습니다. 그중 야생 코끼리는 약 500마리뿐이지요. 하지만 태국 사람들에게 코끼리는 여전히 신성한 동물이고 행운의 상징입니다. 그것은 오랜 세월 코끼리가 태국인의 삶에서 동고동락해왔기 때문입니다. 코끼리는 수백 년 전 이웃나라 미얀마와의 전쟁에서 나라를 지켜주었고 지난 200년 동안 가장 중요한 노동력이기도 했습니다. 이제 쇼를 통해서 관광객을 불러들이는 코끼리는 태국인의 삶에서 결코 떼어낼 수 없는 존재인 것이지요.
อดีตก็คือเขาใช้งานอย่างนั้นเมื่ออดีตยังไม่มีเครื่องจักรที่ทุ่นแรงคนได้แต่ปัจจุบันนี้มีแล้วช้างก็จะถูกเลี้ยงอย่างสบายเช่นออกโชว์บ้างอันนี้มันเป็นเฉพาะบางตัวนะคะบางทีควานช้างเขาก็ไม่อยากทำแต่ว่าถ้าบางตัวอาจจะมีนิสัยดื้อรั้นเขาต้องทำรุนแรงแต่ความเป็นจริงแล้วตัวหนังของช้างนี่มันจะด้านเขาจะรู้สึกนิดนึงไม่ค่อยเจ็บมากนะคะ
세계 최대의 코끼리 축제를 보기 위해 세계 곳곳에서 관광객이 몰려들기 한 달 전 태국 전국에서는 300여 마리의 코끼리들이 모입니다. 태국에서 쇼를 잘한다는 코끼리는 모두 모인 셈이지요. 렉은 공연을 위한 강도 높은 훈련을 해왔을 코끼리들의 몸 상태가 걱정입니다. 따그러라 불리는 조련 도구 때문에 머리에 난 상처가 가장 일반적입니다. 하지만 제대로 치료조차 해주지 않아서 상처가 악화되는 경우가 많습니다.
คือตะขอเนี่ยจะใช้สำหรับบังคับช้าง แต่บางทีเขาใช้ตีหัวโดยไม่มีเหตุผลบางครั้งเนี่ยช้างอยู่ดีๆไม่ทำอะไรเลยเขาก็ตีหัวซึ่งจะเห็นมาบางตัวน่ะลูกเล็กๆมีแต่แผลเต็มไปเลยเจ๊ซื้อเท่าไหร่เจ๊ฮะซื้อตัวนั้นเท่าไหร่65
아직 길들여지지 않은 어린 코끼리일수록 온몸이 상처로 가득합니다.
ลูกคอกเหรอจะขายเหรอนี่อะไรวะเนี่ยนี่มันเกิดอะไรขึ้นตรงนี้ใส่ยาลูกใส่ยาเอายาใส่หมอไม่ไหนเอายามาใส่เดี๋ยวพี่ขอใส่ยาหน่อยได้ไหมเอายาใส่ให้หน่อยได้ไหมก็ใส่แล้วมันไม่ได้ใส่ยาสีม่วงเนี่ยยาพี่ซื้อมาอย่างดีเธอจะทิ้งไว้ให้ด้วยครับพี่จะเอายาทิ้งไว้ให้ด้วยนะเพราะว่าพี่มีหมอมาด้วยต้องตามนี่มาไงพี่หมอขอยาแก้อักเสบหน่อยยาแก้อักเสบ
이제 겨우 10개월 된 아기 코끼리는 렉의 손길마저 두려운 모양입니다. 배고픔과 고된 훈련에 지친 코끼리들이 점점 새끼를 낳지 않고 있습니다. 심지어 새끼를 낳자마자 그 자리에서 죽이는 어미 코끼리도 많아졌습니다. 코끼리는 22개월 동안 한 배에서 한 마리의 새끼를 낳는데 수유 기간은 5년에 이릅니다. 하지만 하루 종일 관광객을 태우고 걸어야 하는 엄마 코끼리 곁에서 아기 코끼리는 제때 젖을 먹기가 힘듭니다. 이것이 렉을 가장 화나게 하는 일이죠.
Excuse me, the baby want to have a milk. Yeah, and then they force him to walk. You just tell your to stop.
하지만 돈 벌기에 바쁜 코끼리 조련사는 그냥 지나가 버리고 맙니다. 코끼리 한 마리가 9거리나 쇼를 통해 하루에 버는 돈은 200에서 300바트. 우리나라 돈으로 8,000원 정도입니다. 그나마 코끼리 주인과 수입을 나누어야 하는 조련사는 따그러를 잠시도 내려놓을 수 없습니다. 축제에 참여하는 코끼리들이 함께 훈련을 받고 있는 캠프 한편. 한 코끼리가 사슬에 묶인 채 가만히 있지 못하고 계속해서 머리를 흔들어댑니다. 무언가로 인한 정신적 충격이 컸던 모양입니다.
มันไม่กระโดดนะนี่เท่ากับมันไม่กระโดดนะนี่มันค่อยๆอยู่แล้วพี่พูดถึงมันค่อยๆปรับตัวมัน
올해로 4살이 된 이 코끼리의 이름은 파사이입니다. 파사이는 태국어로 비온 뒤에 구름이 걷히고 보이는 푸른 하늘을 뜻합니다.
เพื่อนโทรมาบอกมาถ่ายวิดีโอย่างกบ
ทำไมเป็นงั้นไอ้นี่มันสภาพจิตใจไม่ดีนะพี่ดูสภาพจิตใจหัวมันสั่นเลยนะหัวมันสั่นอันตรายด้วยนะพี่เชนเนี่ยมันไม่อยู่เนี่ยถ้าเกิดมัน
มันวิ่งวนนี่แหละเขาผมจะให้พี่เล็กมาดูไงให้พี่หมอมาดูว่ามันทำไมเป็นอย่างนี้
สภาพไม่มันต้องถูกทารุณกรรมจากเจ้าของเดิมไง
ครับ
แล้วดูแล้วสภาพพี่เชนดูสภาพจิตใจมันอยู่มันอยู่ในคอกตลอดใช่ไหม
ครับ มันจะเป็นกำแพง
จะพูดเธอ in the concrete
ครับเขาไม่ได้เหยียบอย่างนี้เลย น้ำก็ไม่ได้ลงนะไม่ได้อาบน้ำเขาจะโยนสายยางไงพี่น้ำก๊อก
หมายความว่ามันดุหรือเปล่าวะ
ไม่ดูพี่ไม่ดู
벌써 사흘째 아무것도 먹지 않는다는 파사이. 영양실조로 눈은 실명 위기에 이르렀습니다. 조련사를 통해 파사이 주인과의 협상이 이루어질 때까지 렉이 해줄 수 있는 일은 우선 시급한 눈을 치료해주는 것뿐입니다. 파사이가 푸른 하늘을 보긴 아직 어려운 모양입니다. 치료가 끝나자마자 쇼를 위한 훈련은 계속됩니다.
รอบลบหน่อยช้างตายช้างตายช้างตายช้างตายตายนานหรือยังครับเขาเรียกว่าช้างตายครับ ปรับเปลี่ยนให้เป็นคนดี คนชั่วกลายเป็นคนดีตีท่าหน่อย เหมือนกับเราเลี้ยงลูก เราก็ต้องเอาไม้เรียวตีเนาะ
เคยตีแรงหรือเปล่าครับ
ก็ตีแรงถ้าไม่เชื่อฟังก็ตีแรง
ตั้งแต่ตีแรงก็ความรู้สึกเป็นอะไรบ้างครับ
ก็อยากให้เขาดีเป็นคนดีก็ต้องทำแรงทีความรู้สึกคืออยากให้เขาเป็นคนดี
เจ็บใจหรือเปล่า
ฮะ
เจ็บใจไหม
ไม่เจ็บใจเลย
오히려 조련사는 따그러를 자랑스레 보여줍니다.
ถ้าไม่ให้กลัวถ้าอย่างนั้นช้างทำเป็นอะไรบ้างครับ
ถ้าไม่ให้กลัวตัวนี้เหรอ มีดไง
아무것도 먹지 않고 머리만 흔들어대는 파사이가 주인과 조련사에게도 짐짓 골칫덩어리였나 봅니다.
ไม่ต้องมองพี่ก้อง
60만 바트, 우리나라 돈으로 약 1,800만 원의 협상이 타결됐습니다.
ปากอ้าปากกับลูกอ้าปากอ้าปากอ้าปาก
파사이도 자신의 주인이 바뀐 것을 아는 걸까요?
กินแล้วลูกเห็นไหมน่ะ She start to eat now ลูกสาวกินแล้วกรี๊ดดิ
เดี๋ยวถ้ามีโอกาสจะได้ไปเที่ยวเชียงใหม่โอเค
โอ้สกิดใจแล้วเหรอคะสกิดใจแล้วเหรอคะโอ้รู้สึกเราจะรู้จักกันแล้วนะเนี่ยเราจะรู้จักกันแล้วนะเราจะรู้จักกันแล้วนะลูกนะโอ้
3일 만에 먹기 시작하는 파사이. 며칠 뒤 네이처파크로 올 때까지 잘 지내주어야 할 텐데 말이죠.
ครับผม
렉이 네이처파크를 비운 사이 사고가 일어나고 말았습니다.
We build the hardest. They just said, "Oh, we are in Bangkok. You know, others, can you bring elephant to the hospital?" I said, "I can't because elephant not even can stand up. You know, you have to stand." I said, "Goodbye. Thank you for your call anyway. Okay."
두 코끼리가 싸움을 벌여 한 마리가 죽고 만 것입니다. 지난 3년 동안 가족으로 살아온 매마이의 죽음. 렉은 그저 모든 것이 자신의 잘못인 것만 같습니다. 메마이는 지난 2005년 벌목 현장에서 다리가 부러진 후 이곳으로 구출됐습니다. 그런데 정신병이 있던 쏨분의 공격을 받고 만 것이죠.
สมบูรณ์ตัวที่ทำให้แม่ใหม่เจ็บเนี่ยสมบูรณ์ก็ใส่แม่ใหม่ก่อนแม่ใหม่สู้สมบูรณ์หนีเสร็จปุ๊บแล้วแม่ใหม่ก็ใช้ขนายเนี่ยก็แทงสมบูรณ์อีกสมบูรณ์ก็เลยหมุนตัวมาใส่กันแต่đi chóm á năng thế đi chóm này
몇 시간을 울고 난 렉. 그녀는 네이처파크 코끼리를 돌보고 있는 사육사들을 한자리에 불러 모읍니다.
เดี๋ยวนี้บอกมาว่าจ้างตัวไหนที่มีปัญหาตัวไหนบอกก็ปีมาเดี๋ยวนี้นี่ก็ลองไผ่แม่อู้มาว่าจ้างตัวไหนมีปัญหาตัวไหนแต่ที่หูคือแม่เปี้ยกับแม่ลันนานั่นเป็นมันก็ลาไปได้
사실 정신병이 있는 코끼리들을 어떻게 다룰 것인가 하는 문제는 아직 해결하지 못한 숙제입니다. 어떻게 해야 네이처파크 코끼리들이 더 안전해질 수 있을지 토론이 오랫동안 이어집니다.
มันเลี้ยงเนอะอันนี้นะจ้างผมนะมันลุกเขาจะได้มานั่งอู้กันว่าจ้างมันลึกเขาจะเนี่ยใดนิสัยมันเป็นอย่างไรเพราะแม่เบี้ยเป็นโรคประสาทเขาก็ต้องช่วยกันเข้าใจก็ว่าจ้างเป็นโรคประสาทอยู่ๆคิงก็เอามาหินมาปุ๊บมันแหมมันก็ไปใหญ่เนี่ยพี่จะบอกก่อนนะว่าตรงนี้นะถ้าคือพี่เขียนแผ่นกระดานนี่นะว่าไผ่เป็นใหญ่ที่ปางจ้างนี่นะจ้างมาอันดับ1จ้างมาบนหัวพี่เพ่นะแต่เบื่อนะทุกคนนะที่มาอยู่ที่นี่นะขอบคุณนักๆครับ
그저 울 수만은 없는 일입니다. 사고는 어쩔 수 없었다 해도 남은 코끼리들의 내일이 중요하니까요. 메마이의 장례식이 시작됐습니다. 다음 생을 기원하는 기도가 쉼없이 이어집니다. 모두의 기원으로 메마이는 다음 생에서 평온한 삶을 맞이할 수 있을까요? 네이처파크에 다시 평화로운 아침이 찾아왔습니다. 단짝 친구인 호프는 어디 갔는지 푸피아는 공연히 타이어에 시비를 겁니다. 코끼리는 돌고래만큼이나 영리한 동물로 알려져 있습니다. 감정의 기복이 분명하고 기억력도 좋아 좋아하는 사람과 싫어하는 사람을 정확하게 기억하지요. 그래서 코끼리는 자신을 학대한 사람에게 복수를 하기도 하는데요. 사람에 대한 분노로 가득 찬 코끼리들이 렉과 자원봉사자들을 받아들이기까지는 보통 수개월, 수년이 걸리기도 합니다.
ที่เขาไว้เข้าข้างในได้ปะเพราะเดี๋ยว10 ล้อจะจอดตรงนี้ค่ะกลับตรงนี้ ดีใจค่ะมีความสุขมากๆที่วันนี้ช้างจะได้มีความสุข
드디어 파사이가 도착한 모양입니다.
Look at that. Oh, my volunteer run follow her.
36번째 맞는 네이처파크의 새 식구. 파사이가 드디어 자유를 맞게 됩니다.
ตาดีแล้วตาน้องดีแล้ว
พี่
ตา
เล็ก
น้อง
ดู
ดี
ฝั่ง
แล้
นั้นดิ
ว
หายเลยอ่ะไม่มีเลยอ่ะ
โอ้โหตาใสแล้วลูกนะโอ้โหดีใจใหญ่เลย It's so change
เนี่ยผมด่าชิบหายเลยพี่เล็ก
พี่โก้
파사이도 렉을 알아보긴 하는 걸까요?
ชมจะดู Hi
렉과 함께 조심스레 물가로 다가가는 파사이.
ลองดูลองดู
코끼리들은 원래 물에서 목욕하길 즐기지만 몇 주 동안 콘크리트 벽에 갇혔던 탓인지 파사이는 선뜻 물에 들어가지를 못합니다.
นอนลูกนอนลูก
하지만 서서히 파사이도 네이처파크에 강해서 목욕을 즐기며 다른 코끼리들처럼 살아가게 될 것입니다.
โอ้ช่วงนอนลงรับลง
Because in case of the elephant
네이처파크 코끼리 식구들이 파사이가 자유를 만끽하도록 가만두질 않는군요.
ผมให้จริงๆ3 ตัว
무리 생활을 하는 코끼리들은 새로운 코끼리가 나타나면 이렇게 탐색전을 벌입니다. 냄새를 맡아가며 암놈인지 순놈인지 어느 지역에서 왔는지 또 얼마나 센 놈인지를 파악합니다. 새로운 코끼리를 가족으로 받아들일 것인지 심사를 하는 것이죠.
พูดเรื่องช้างตอนมาถึงใหม่ๆเห็นไหมมันจะดมที่ก้นนะดมที่ก้นนี่เพราะว่ามันจะดูโลเคชั่นว่าเป็นมาจาก different herd นะมาจากคนละฝูงทีนี้ที่ฝูงช้างไม่ค่อยยอมรับเพราะบางทีอันตรายนี่ลูกช้างก็จะพยายามไปหาว่าใครเป็นหัวหน้าโขงลูกช้างก็จะจับขี้มากินพอวันพรุ่งนี้น่ะกลิ่นมันก็จะออกเป็นกลิ่นเดียวกันเขาก็จะยอมรับเพราะนั้นเขาจะกินขี้หัวหน้าโขงก่อนเลย
하지만 파사이에게 당장 급한 건 우두머리 코끼리의 허락이 아니라 마피아 호프의 허락인 것 같습니다. 워낙 말썽이 많은 호프, 렉도 슬쩍 걱정이 되는데요.
สวยคนนั้นว่าไงฮะสวยหรือเปล่าป้าใส่สวยหรือเปล่าสวยหรือเปล่าเนี่ยสวยจริงสวยจริงๆนะห้ามนี้นะเอ้ยมาเอาล่ะมางามกะมางามก็ฮบ maybe he not just said not my taste
다행히 두 아들 딸은 친하게 지낼 것 같습니다.
สวยไหมโอ้โหมาอยู่ที่นี่แล้วก็เป็นสาวสวยแล้วมันนี่สวยๆมาฟ้าใสสวยๆมาฟ้าใสสวยๆนะคะฟ้าใสสวยๆนะคะ
ที่จะมีสวนปางช้างที่เป็นปางไงนะทำแบบนี้ปล่อยช้างเดินตามถนนไม่ต้องมีโซ่ไม่ต้องมีฟางคนเลี้ยงมันเป็นอิสระภาพของช้างครับ
파사이는 이제 잠이 들고 싶은 모양이지만 탐색전은 해가 지도록 계속되는군요. 푸피아는 모두의 관심이 파사이에게 집중되자 질투가 난 모양입니다.
กันตาดิฮะฮะนี่บอก
네이처파크 코끼리들이 파사이를 가족으로 받아들여 줄까요? 파사이가 네이처파크에서 보내는 첫날이 이렇게 저뭅니다.
elephant lift the log to the lorry
Onto the truck and then
On
the
the
truck
truck.
brings them out.
yeah
코끼리 조련사는 대부분 고산족인 카렌족 출신입니다. 이 마을에만 140명의 조련사가 살고 있습니다. 이 1살짜리 아기 코끼리는 포획당하는 과정에서 다리가 부러졌습니다. 걷기 힘들어하면서도 이제 막 조련 기술을 배우기 시작한 소년의 말을 꽤 잘 듣는 편입니다.
This mahut. Yes, and you mahut. Oh,
No, you come back. Forest.
So he goes school?
No, finish. So he attempt to the school at the block.
Oh,
14 years old.
14.
Yes, he do interest about the school. The eyes are no good. They blind. So his father cannot be ride the elephant.
마을 아이들은 빠르면 10살부터 학교에 다니는 대신 코끼리 조련 기술을 배우며 자랍니다. 한 코끼리를 파트너로 만나게 되면 수년간 하루 24시간을 함께 보내게 되죠. 코끼리만큼이나 소년들도 제때 먹지 못하고 제때 치료받지 못합니다. 어쩌면 오늘날 코끼리들의 삶이 이토록 고단한 것은 사람들의 삶이 고단한 탓인지도 모르겠습니다. 한 달에 한 번 고산족을 찾아 구호 활동을 하는 렉. 그녀는 코끼리와 사람들이 함께 더 나은 삶을 살게 되기를 바랍니다. 렉 역시 15살까지 산속에서 고립된 삶을 살았습니다. 가족의 반대를 무릅쓰고 14km를 걸어 학교에 가야 했죠. 하지만 그녀는 부족에서 최초로 대학을 졸업한 여성이 됐습니다.
When I was a young life, my family lived like this. And this is I used to. The life here, they doesn't have anything, even medicine care, anything from the government. Is a very bad life. They eat very little and they work very hard. Both elephant and people. And many children in this village also die.
You invite you.
네이처파크 35마리 코끼리들과 함께 살게 된 파사이는 잘 적응하고 있을까요? 파사이는 온종일 매분 곁을 졸졸 따라다닙니다. 이제 안정을 되찾았는지 더 이상 머리를 흔들지도 않는군요. 아무래도 파사이에게는 가족이 생긴 모양입니다.
Ồ, y bùng đấy, trái cầm lắm rồi đấy hả? Nhìn em đây là, anh em mắt em bùng nữa. Ôi, y bùng ở đây vào đồ đây nhang đây ơi. Không nóng na. Ồ,อยู่ก็แม่บุงไปแล้วว่าตอนนี้แม่บุงรับละเห็นไหมน่ะเขารักกันมากเลยน่ะแม่บุงรับเป็นแม่ละ
목욕하는 동안에도 엄마 매분 곁에서 한시도 떠나지 않는 파사이. 가족이란 많은 것을 치유하게 하는 힘을 지녔습니다. 네이처파크 식구들이 모두 가까운 숲으로 산책에 나섰습니다. 현재 태국의 숲은 국토 전체 면적의 약 15%. 국립공원을 제외하고는 숲이 거의 남아있지 않은 셈이지요.
ชอบมากเพราะว่าเขาฟรีดอมเดินทั้งคืนกินทั้งคืนเขามีความสุข
숲을 찾을 때면 렉과 자원봉사자들은 나무에 승복에 천을 묶어둡니다. 국민의 95%가 불교를 믿는 태국. 여전히 불법으로 벌목을 하는 사람들에게 승려의 옷으로 경각심을 주기 위해서입니다.
คนไทยจะเชื่อเรื่องศาสนาถ้าเกิดว่าผ้าเหลืองนี่เป็นผ้าของพระนะผ้าที่เขาใส่เนี่ยถ้าเกิดว่าคนไทยเนี่ยเขามาจะตัดต้นไม้เขาเห็นผ้าเขาโอ้ไม่ได้เขาถ้าเหมือนกับฆ่าพระเพราะถ้าเราเอาผ้าเหลืองมาใส่ต้นไม้จะเป็นต้นไม้ศักดิ์สิทธิ์เหมือนกับฆ่าพระเพราะฉะนั้นคนไทยจะไม่แตะต้อง
처음 네이처 파크를 만들었을 때와는 달리 렉은 이제 혼자가 아닙니다. 세계 각국에서 온 자원봉사자들과 36 코끼리 가족이 그녀를 응원하고 있지요. 언젠가 코끼리들이 돌아갈 집 숲을 회복하는 것. 렉과 네이처 파크 코끼리들의 꿈이 그 실현을 위한 첫걸음을 내딛습니다.
This one is Meadow with the broken back. This is Doc Nern. This is Mei Lai Tong with the mine exploded foot. This is Pupia. This is Metoko, Pupia's mum. This is Far Sai, the recent rescue one. And this is Sri Nguyen. I think because of the love and devotion they have for each other, you know, very much like humans. You know, the mothers with the children and how they all look after each other as well. You know, even like when we bring the strange new elephant in, you know, one of them is always willing to welcome them in and look after them and that. And so they got big hearts. They could teach us humans a few things, you know, be good. Better than people though, they're more forgiving. They forgive humans, whereas we wouldn't forgive them so much. So yeah, better.
ก็เปิดอีกที่หนึ่งแต่ตรงนั้นเป็นอิสระจะไม่มีใครมาอาบน้ำให้ช้างที่อยู่แข็งแรงตรงนี้เราจะไปปล่อยตรงนั้นให้เขาเป็นฟรีดอมเลย24 hour 24 ชั่วโมงฟรีดอม
Trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where